one thing I would love to start us off with are what are like 2 or 3 habits you would say that are good for entrepreneurs to have?
Well, I always like to say the first habit that an entrepreneur should have is a focus on getting things done, like actually building things and accomplishing what they set out to do. Another thing I would say is you have to be focused on, well, we have a mantra at Y Combinator that's make something people want. What that really means, though, is not just making something, but actually understanding what people want. So that means you have to talk to customers. You have to be customer and product centric. So I think you start with those 2 things, and then the best entrepreneurs, I think, have a mindset for growth and scaling. So it's great to have you using my product. How do I get you and all your friends and everyone you know and everyone in the city and everyone in the country using the product? So getting things done, focusing on building and talking to customers, and then focusing on growth.